So have been having a problem with getting the serial information that Max puts onto the serial monitor into something that the light and more importantly Arduino can understand. So the program that I had used the serial peak function to look at the start of the package essentially that was being sent to Arduino, and then if it found 0, which I'd put in the front of the package, then it would display all the relevant information. So here, something like 0, 255, 255, 255. What that'll do is that will see it's a 0, and then it'll read the next 3 values, placing them into variable 1, 2 and 3 respectively, changing the colour of the light. However, when this sends, the light goes to white or full brightness. Just to give you an example, so 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, light turns off because there's no values there. However, it wasn't reading multiple variables from Max properly because of the way it was packaging them. So the program written it peaks at the first value and then it reads everything off after that, just every break. But actually, instead of sending everything as one package, Max is just sending everything as it receives it. So what I had to do was change the program, so instead of reading at the top here, this is what Max had been sending. It was a package of the colour values, so 255, 255 for fully on, and then either end a 0 was added to signify the start and the end of each package of data. However, what I found out is that Arduino was actually reading each individual element, so it received a 0 and then it tried to read the next value, which just didn't exist because it was only 1 digit long, and then sent 255, 255, 255, then another 0. So it never got to the stage where it was entering the loop here, because although it saw 0, there was never any variables to parse afterwards. So what the second tutorial, or the second patch does, is it removes the loop to look at the start of the information. It just starts reading straight off it, and what I've done in Max is remove the start and the finish, so that all I'm sending are the values that control the light.